In this video, I'll show you how to create a crew logo in Blox Fruits on your mobile. So to do this, you first need to head over to an internet browser and then just launch up roblox.com. Now make sure you're logged into your account, and then you need to select Continue in Browser right at the bottom. From here, you need to select Create in the top navigation. In the top left-hand side, click on the navigation icon, click on Creations. Scroll across from this menu and select Development Items. Scroll across the sub-menu and select Decals, and then from here click on Upload Asset. So what we're going to do now is click on this Upload button, and this is where we can upload our custom image for our logo. So if I select a logo, I can choose a photo already saved in my photo library. Now if you don't already have a photo, you can find one on Google Images, or you can create one in something like Canva. So I'm going to select this image here, click on Done, and once you've uploaded your image, you'll then need to give it a name. I'm just going to call this one Skull, and you'll also need to give your decal a description. Then just scroll down and click on Upload. And then if you scroll down, you should be able to find your decal. If it hasn't yet loaded, you can always press the refresh button. And once you see your decal in this list, all you need to do is click on the 3 horizontal lines in the top right hand side and select Open Asset Details. Now head over to the URL section of the website, and we just need to copy all of this text by selecting the copy button here. Now before we head into Blox Fruits and add this to our crew logo, you can actually select a free logo in the Roblox store if you don't want to create your own. So to do this, you can click back on the navigation in the top left hand side, click on the home button right at the top, then click back on the navigation menu, click on the back button, and then click on Store. So here is all of the free images that we can use for our logo. And if you scroll across on the navigation section at the top, you can click on Decals, and here you'll have a bunch of free images that we can use. So if you do want to use one of these images, we can just simply click on it like so, and then you can select the Get Decal button here. And then once again, to use this image, we just come over to the address bar, and you need to copy all of this text here. Now you need to head over to the actual Roblox application on your phone, and then from here you can load up Blox Fruits. Once you're inside of Blox Fruits, click on Pirates from the left hand side, and then in the navigation options from the left you'll see a symbol that kind of looks like a pirate. Click on that, and now all you need to do to upload your own custom crew logo is we're going to click on the decal link section here, and then you're just going to click to bring up this menu and select Paste. And now as you can see, that's going to upload a custom logo for our crew in Blox Fruits. So now all you need to do is give your crew a name, and you can go ahead and create your new crew. So it's as simple as that, guys. Let me know in the comments if you did find this video helpful, and I'll see you in the next one.